Hey guys. Where's this? Just to get out of there. So I wanted to talk to you guys. Well, I'm still in my program. Um, so we just had like a serious talk and it had me crying. But like, have you ever had that friend that like you wanted to tell him stuff but you couldn't? Well, I feel like my friend Dennis feels like that because like he feels like it kind of feels like he feels like he can't trust us. And like it hurts. So I need your advice. How can we, as in me and a couple other people, help him? Question of the day, vlog number 4. It's gonna be short today. Well, yeah, so